So I had to do some heavy convincing last night to let me post this video for you guys to see. Unfortunately, she crashed her boat the first time that she used it by herself. And all she needed to do was help me load it on the trailer. I got the truck, backed up the trailer. I told her, babe,
Listen,
let's load it on the trailer.
you left me alone and I wasn't comfortable. Okay?
I messed up as a trainer, teacher, boyfriend.
Get off the boat, babe. Drive the boat up.
Simple. In a canal, controlled environment,
With the current pushing me.
little bit of current.
A little bit?
Little bit of current.
Watch the video.
The boat did get some damage. Watch the video, and I'll show you the damages after the video.
I was scared.
All right, boys, so we're putting it back on the trailer, and this is the first time Miss Boat Vibes drives the boat by herself. So let's see how she does. She told me not to yell at her, so I'm not gonna yell at her. I'm gonna let her do it. I'm gonna let her just get that boat right here by herself. Babe, back. Turn the wheel, baby. The wheel. This might be a video on itself. This might be a video by itself. No, back. The prop. Oh, my prop. Oh, my prop. She just hit the rock. Back. Neutral. Neutral. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. No, it's not stuck. It's never happened. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Turn it on and go in reverse. Oi! Ow! Ay, no. You're gonna blow the transmission up. Oh. Ow. Oh my God. This is his own video. This is his own video. I recorded it. Oh my God, my anxiety is down. Put the engine down. Okay, make sure the gear's all the way back. The gas is all the way back. Now put it in gear reverse. Put it in reverse first. Okay, now start it. Start it. Other way. Point the engine towards me. Point the engine towards me. More. Now start it. Oh. Alright, turn it off. No! When I tell you, off. Ow. What, am I supposed to swim over there? Can you just listen to me? Listen to me. Listen to me. I will. Listen to me. Alright guys, so she wants me to turn off the camera. So, yeah, I'm gonna turn it off now because
I give props to all these females that drive these boats, that their parents and their brothers have taught them.
thankfully I painted the boat and I pretty much built the boat, so I can fix it with no problem. So here are the damages.
Thank God I'm not a Karen either for boating.
But meh.
And you laughed. You were recording. I felt helpless.
What is all I can do is laugh. I was so nervous. All I can do is laugh. I hear bang, bang, bang.
This is our real life. Okay, this is our real life.
It is. At least I'm showing you real life stuff.
This is our real life. We built me a boat.
So we got a little bit of a love dent down here.
We got a scratch over here.
Scratch there. A little baby scratch right here.
That hurt. Oh.
Alright, boys.
And girls. A couple girls
And
commented.
those 5 girls that commented, thanks for watching.
drop my hat off.
All right. Soon she'll be a good captain eventually. Eventually.
Stay tuned for volume 2.
But yeah, boys and girl, that's the damages. So that being said, we're not gonna be using the boat anytime soon because we're not gonna be going into the water without a rub rail with these damages. And it has a bunch of little other damages that I'm gonna show you guys in the next video.
Couple videos.
Couple videos, like bunch of little things. We got a good baseline of what the boat runs, how it runs, what it needs. So now that we got those baseline numbers, start doing a bunch of little fiberglass work and a bunch of little paint jobs. So once we're in the water this summer, should be 100%. When we took it to the Isla Mirada sandbar, I was a little embarrassed of all the little defects. A lot of people didn't notice, but the fact that I built the boat, I know where all the defects are. And I want to make sure that all those defects are fixed. Little dumb defects, like,
This boat holds too much value.
like for example, you see these, it's a defect there. Notice that these screws are kind of coming off with vibration. So a bunch of little dumb defects that a home built boat would have. And I want to get all that fixed. You know, it's too pretty of a boat. It looks amazing in videos for it to have all these many defects. So she's a little upset that she crashed the boat for the first time, but I told her it's okay, we can fix it.
Cried all night.
Yeah, all night she wasn't in a good mood. She was yelling at me, telling me that I didn't build the boat right because she left the throttle open.
I spoke out of anxiety and fear, okay?
She's like, you built this boat like a piece of all these things. And I'm like, what's going on? I just used the boat. We just used the boat for like 6 miles without not one issue. And now all of a sudden now it's revving high and it's slamming gears and it's doing all these things. And magically, when I got back on the boat to put it on the trailer, everything worked fine.
I was panicking. Truth is, I panicked, and you cannot think when you're panicking. I felt alone. I see you just recording. I felt helpless. I was scared. I don't want to damage her.
All right, boys. So it's gonna be a full series on me teaching her how to use the boat. Comment down below what you think and how you think I should teach her, because obviously I didn't do a good first job with just handing the keys over to her. Comment down below what you guys think. Here's the first accident. A little accident, not too crazy, in a controlled environment. We're sharing it because we're real life people and these things happen.
You watch it. If you don't like it, you don't watch it.
Do me a favor, like the video, comment down below what you think. I need this video to go viral so it can help us fund this fix.
I'm gonna go cry some more.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace.